Okay, we're back and we're talking about the camping trailer that we built. I'm going to go from the back side, which is our sleeping quarters, if you may call it that, our bedroom. And basically the sleeping part of it is just the bed with the cupboards on the side. So here goes. This is our door, and we made it nice and broad so that we will be able to get the stuff out that we still needed to take out. On my left hand side, let's start here. I just put 2 filing boxes onto the door, and we put our shoes into here. So when we get into the trailer, we don't have to leave the shoes on the floor. So we can put it in here. And if it's wet, we leave it on the outside, but otherwise it can go in here so it doesn't go onto the bed with all the dirt and stuff going on to the bed. Okay, let's move on to some of the cupboards. I don't know if you can see over there. I'll probably have it on a different slide as well. But over here, we've got an inside cupboard in which you can put clothing or whatever you need to put in here. We didn't put a door on there. It's just economical. But if you want to, you can put some elastic or Velcro or a door or something on there to help you to keep your stuff intact, especially when you're driving, because it tends to fall out. In the front of the trailer, you will see it looks like a black hole from this side, but actually it's a little cavity that's on top of the fridge in which we put our hats and some of the small stuff, and when we want to put the radio and the cell phones and stuff over there. Then we've got a plug right there by the bed so that we will be able, luckily where we go camping, we always have 220 power. So we are able to put in or to charge our cell phones. What you do not see over there is right there where the plug is. There's a door and there's a window. So we've got access on that side. So if you put it in something big, you are able to open up over there and help it or take it out. Next to it is a place to hang your clothing, because we found it's better hanging up your clothing than folding it. So everything that hangs, you don't have to fold up and it doesn't get creased as easily. Next to that, we've got some space for the clothing. In hindsight, I could have made the shelves one more and have it a smaller space between each other, because then you can rather put in your clothes so it's nice and nicely tucked inside of there. Over here we've got a little vent, so the air goes in here and it comes out well on the inside. The bed itself used to be right at the bottom, but what we did was we changed this. So I built a bottom inside of about, I think this is about 250 mils, and this, the frames can lift up like in a caravan, and then you put in your tent and you put in your gazebo and whatever you need to put in there at the bottom. So you've got access from here. In future, I might even open up here at the front so that you'll be able to pull some of this out, so you don't even have to lift the bed up. But you've got access from the top, and by the way, there's access from the sides as well, because I've opened up on the sides. And that's the bedroom.